Massive rip your head off reversal today. Let's take a look at the trades. Up about 300 on the 200K portfolio. Still a couple of open positions on the E-mini S&P long, and minus 250 on the 250 on the 50K portfolio. FOMC statement was bullish. It was down. I thought the market would sell off. I thought it would be more hawkish. Fed said it would stay at 0% until maximum employment. I thought we were already there. I think that was just an excuse to give the equity markets what they wanted and get the Santa Claus rally going. And so I think we're in the Santa Claus rally mode. And I think the NASDAQ will see another 1,000 points, the S&P another 300 points potentially into the end of the year. We saw about a 100-point range today on the S&P and about a 500-point range on the NASDAQ. So another 1,000 points is nothing. Could see 2,000 points in the NASDAQ by the end of the year. Would not be surprised. So we're going over the All Strategy Access workspaces, and let's take a look. Tick pullback plus 937.50. Love entries like that where the market is strong. It pulls back, gets in a good place, and then it rallies. So 60-minute breakout, got in again, and this $1,000 profit target was extremely small. You see, it got in here, got out there, and then could have probably gone with a $3,000 profit target on that bar. Adaptive moving average plus 312.50. Like I said, it was a tough market to trade. I wish we would have been more profitable because it's such a huge range today. But we started out shorting the market, and then we got stopped out on the reversal, and we're down, and then we made it back on the long trades. And so glad to get back towards break even. And up on the day in the 200K portfolio, Cobra 3 minus 625, Cobra 3 profit target minus 625. This one has had about 5 winners in a row before this. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 winners, and then a loser today on Cobra 3. And so AT 2019 minus 1925, ES2 strategies, VSD long only plus 3887.50. You can see how strong that rally is. The rally actually started before the minutes were released today at 2. It gave some back and then rallied again. So very strong movement. Let's look at Cobra 3 NASDAQ, then trade. Cobra 3 NASDAQ did not trade today. Gap continuation 2020. This one minus 325 on 2 trades. This is what hurt us the most in the 50K portfolio. Tick pulse V12 plus 1625. It's interesting to see such a small looking move on the chart, be 1625, but the NASDAQ made a $10,000 move from its low at 15,750 to 16,250. It's actually higher now. So more than a $10,000 range on the NASDAQ today, which is crazy. In Q2, 60-minute breakout A. This one got us back in the profit today. One of the strategies that got us profitable again was 60-minute breakout A on the NASDAQ plus 950. 60-minute breakout B, we didn't trade these. These are plus 90. PR breakout plus 675. VSD long short. Look at this. Huge day. We're not trading this strategy because it has a difficult time most of the time. But on a day like today, massive move plus 11,270. VSD breakout in Q plus 92.25. Gap continuation, big stop loss minus 7.25. Viper 2008 plus 150. Viper 2021 plus 150. Taking the short trades. Cobra crude plus 445 on conservative and aggressive, minus 225 on the gap fill and reverse. And crude has moved much higher since we exited that trade. NASDAQ or natural gas is no trades today. RBOB no trades. Gold flash, we're not trading this one, plus 675. Gold reversal minus 940. Stopped out on Fed and then rallied once again. Asia Gold 4 short plus 675. EVP2 Gold minus 525. Cobra Gold plus 145. Gold continues to be kind of a challenging market to trade. It seems to want to come back to 1750 and then it bounces a little bit, but never that far. Maybe we'll see a more bullish gold in 2022. Silver, no trades on the day. Copper, nice trade. One of the highlights of the day is we got these 60-minute breakout trades. These are small on the long side. 60-minute breakout home run, exited at a good time, a time exit. And then copper short was also short. So going into the close yesterday, we were flat because copper breakout home run was long and copper short was short. So we were flat. And then copper, we started the new session, and copper breakout took this long trade. And so this was long. It exited, and then copper breakout home run exited. And so we were net short still right here from copper breakout short, and the market sold off, and we caught this move. Big bounce back in copper though, so some extra volatility we're not used to seeing in copper. I guess it's somehow related to the Fed as well. Cobra Euro, we're not trading this one, minus 625. A lot of these we're not trading. We're going over all the strategies that we track, 127. Grains Day Trader 3, choppy day, minus 375. And optional, and here is the old. And 60-minute breakout short is one more trade in the 200K. Frustrating. Last three trades, I mean, the market has been down, but it's just really hard to short. It still has this bouncy nature to it, and we can see why. There's just still a lot of liquidity that wants to prop the market up in the seasonal time of year. And now that we've had the last Fed meeting, look for much higher prices. Going into the end of the year, Santa Claus rally, we see this often, barring any news events, major news events that would change that. And I'm not necessarily a bull, but this market is just difficult to short. This has recently made equity peaks, but these last three trades it was difficult to short this market. So here are some of the new strategies we're tracking. Cobra Crude was down today, but it's been on had some pretty good trades lately. You see short, long, short, and then this trade right here, Cobra NASDAQ has been lost today, but it's been on some pretty good trades. It only has a $400 profit target, so it's had some pretty good winning streaks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row, and it lost here, 1 lost, and so I think 7 out of 9. And then this bond strategy has been on a really hot streak. Let's look at it here. Lost today. You want to start on a drawdown, and you can see the hot streak that it's been on. We released it around this time frame here, and it's gone up about 12,000 per contract, and it's had one loser here, so one loser there. So you want to start after it's cooled off a little bit, and it has. So you can see the massive move from low to high. It made a low at 15,740 right here. FOMC came out, bounced off of 15,750. It's 2 days in a row where the market made a low and it came back, tested 16,750. It really rallied hard yesterday off of 16,750. And today it rallied hard off for 16,750. Would have been a good discretionary trade to put in a trade right there at 16,750 and just take that with a tight stop. 16,751 with the stop loss at 16,741 because of that. And so it would have been a small risk, and it worked. It would have worked really well holding that. Would have made about $10,000 on that trade. And so those are the trades on the day for December the 15th, FOMC. We have 11 trading days left, 2 days this week. We have 4 days next week. The market is closed on Friday for Christmas, and then 5 days the following week. There are no holiday closes for New Year's. So New Year's is on Saturday, and so the market trades on December the 31st all the way to the close. And so those are the trades on the day. Taking an updated look, it's up about 500 right now. We show that this 200K is up about 500 on the day, and the market has moved just a little bit higher. So still open positions with 4 minutes left in the regular session for futures, and then another 49 minutes until it closes. So those are the trades on the day, December the 15th, 2021.
Hey, David Bean here. Welcome to Capstone Trading Systems YouTube page. Be sure to subscribe to join our community of algorithmic traders. We are real money traders. We share our winning streaks, we share our losing streaks, as well as market updates, strategies and coding tips.